And the starting lineup from Purocito. Falcon Nasa, jersey number 25. Marcados jersey number 71. Gomez jersey number 5. Sabado jersey number 7. And Castillero jersey number 9. Game 2 finals battle between Purok Tres and Purocito. Ayan yung mga batang sa ilalim dyan, umalis kayo para matagalan kayo ng mga player. Wala pong makapoy dyan sa ilalim. Okay, double between here's number 3. Castillero, Abayan Isaac Kiko. Unang bunas para sa Purok Tres. Valdonesa, Sabado. Valdonesa 50 to shoot. Supply. Legal by jersey number 3. Flores. And mga ganyan ng traveling violation. Gomez. 15 to shoot. Supply. Gomez 10 to shoot. 5-7 to shoot. Gomez Supply. 24 shot clock violation. Williams and Kiko passages number 10, Kiko. It's still by Gomez, pass break play. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 71, Sablay. Pass to Abayan. Abayan niya nagawang ulit. Abayan ulit. Ay, nabumawang ang bola. Bola ng phone. Valdonesa. Valdonesa pass to Sabado from downtown. Jersey number 9, ball of the box. Jersey number 3. Nasurgan na ulit Valdonesa bola. Valdonesa pass to Gomez. Good pursuit by Gomez. Pass break play. And nakuha ni Martades ang bola. Martades. Martades. Is to by Flores. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass break play. Abayan. Good pursuit. Sabado. And nasundan jersey number 10, Kiko. Flores pass to Kiko. Kiko pass jersey number 3. And dribble by jersey number 71. Martades pass to Gomez. Jersey number 3 drop downtown. Dribble by Castillero. Castillero pass to Sabado. Valdonesa. Rebound by Abayan. Abayan rin. Nasa jersey number 3. Ayan, meron tayong foul. Foul, jersey number number 71, head contact and ball throw is up. Sabado. And now starting 3 minutes 54. First try supply. Completamente dribbled by the 71 Nartades. Nartades pass to Silva. Castellano. Supply. Dribbled by Silva. Block. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdenata. Ayan ang pilasan. Quinto. Abayan. Pass to the Flores. Abayan. Abayan by Gomez. Gomez pa rin. This is by Jose number 6. William Santino. And we're going to go to 25 from Gaza. Nartades 2 for 2. Quinto. Deadlock 4. Quinto. Flores. Supply. Another minute by Pastor Clay. Time foul. Foul jersey number 6, pushing foul. Ayan ang 2 shots. 2 minutes 11. First right supply. Ayan dua sa last try. Sosa. Ayan ang time foul. Foul jersey number 9, illegal cylinder. Castellano first personal foul on the second team foul. Exactly 2 minutes. Nartades pass to number 25, Caldereza. Castellano. Supply by Sosa. And then the foul. Foul jersey number 18. Pushing foul. Dito na si Tanya. Ayan na si Valdenata. Ayan, natawagan ng offensive foul. This is number 18, offensive foul. Exactly 1 minute, Abayan. Abayan supply. Rebound by Hernandez. Pull back round down by Silva. 3. And the technical. This is the correct line for Benton. Silva. Technical shot. It's Hernandez 10-5. Seconds. Wala mo nang gagalaw hanggang pinabibigyan ng referee yung bola. Relax muna kayo. Number 25, Baldonaza. 30 seconds. Supply rin by Flores. 20 seconds and airtime foul. Foul, jersey number 9. Holding foul. Second personal foul and a penalty. Penalty situation. Sub. Kick out. First race supply. Seconds, wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. After one game. And pasok tayo sa ating second quarter. Baldonaza. Hernandez. Baldonaza 15 to shoot. Good for 2 by jersey number 20. Jersey number 7. Head to shoot. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Hernandez pass to Castellano. Castellano pa rin. Hernandez. Baldonaza supply. Rebound by Borbita. Flores. Abayan. Wala ka foul, same ball. 18 seconds shot clock. Zosa. Sablay Zosa pa rin. And meron may foul. Foul, jersey number 9. I've got back 2 shots. Jersey number 9, that's your third personal foul shot. Castilian out. First race Sablay.
Adjust.
Sablay pa rin. Zosa pa rin. Sablay. Iwan by Gomez. And meron tayong foul. Foul, jersey number 7. Pushing foul. First try good. And Sablay by Flores. And their foul. Jersey number 71 pushing foul. Jersey number 71. That's your fourth personal foul.
Sana lang yun.
Same ball. Flores, good for goal. Valdonaza, Silva from downtown. Zosa. Zosa Sablay. Rebound by Flores. Steal by Gomez. And bola tayo ng puro press. Ayan, 3 minutes 30. Take ball. Will. Martinez pass break play. Valdonaza. Same ball. Martinez pass to Valdonaza. Valdonaza good for two. Zosa good for two.
Defense!
Valdonaza pass to jersey number 20. Is still by Abayan. Abayan. Pass to Flores. Flores Sablay. Rebound by jersey number 9, Castiliano. Martinez. And tumagay ng double dribble. Abayan pa rin. Good for two by just number 3, Flores. Ayan na ba sa tatlo, 15-12. Exactly 2 minutes. Valdonaza. Ayan na sa lang. Asli Abayan. Kung kita pas ke Abayan. Ayan and foul. Foul, jersey number 5. Pushing foul. Sub. Silva out. Supply over by jersey number 6. Time to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ayan, tumagay ng 3 seconds violation. Sabado. 1 minute 10. Rebound by Flores. Received by Valdonaza. Jersey number 6, Pinasentino. Exactly 1 minute. Abayan. Bombita. Abayan. Time to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Babasa isa. 30 seconds. Bonus 20 seconds.
Go! Go!
15 seconds. Pinasentino defensive. 5 seconds. Serban dan Anis Bukurtu. Ayo teman-teman dan Anis Serban. Usul Abayan. Abayan. Happy birthday, Mr. Sasa. Deadlock 19. Just number 5, pass by play. Supply. Dominic Castillano. Pass to Hernandez. Pass to Hernandez. Castillano. Supply. Rebound by Pinto. Pastor Sosa. Sosa. And goal. Ibabay na Gomez. Gomez, Nartates. Dahil doon na sasablay ni Bandayan Bayan. Dito. Dito sablay ni Bandayan Bayan. Score of pounds. Bola tayo ng Purok-Suko. Number by foul. Foul, jersey number 03. Sosa, first personal foul in the first leg foul. Quinto. Let's go to play. Time to shoot. Gomez. 5 seconds. Supply. Even by Quinto and then foul. Foul goes to number 5. Person number 5, that's also a personal foul and a personal foul. Bayan! Even by Castellano, pass break play. Masinang Tata is nice action for 2. Nartates supply. Gomez. By Donaza. Supply. Ibang Bayan. Natangin ang offensive foul. Jersey number 1, offensive foul. Back to the ball game. Donaza. And again, congratulations. 3 minutes and 30. Kita dengan jersey number 5, Gomez. Gomez! Foul, jersey number. Foul, jersey number 3, Gomez. Our contact and the ball is throw. Ball is try. Bonus try. Ayan, bola kita para sa Brook Trek. Ayan, time foul. Foul, jersey number 5. Legal is a back. Jersey number 5, that's a third personal foul, second foul. Gomez. dagangan gabungan dimension. South. Kick go out. Ayan, score natin 22-21. At 24-19. Pass break day. Bacot, mengabak benar ini Mr. Gomez. Sosa, Mr. Sosa batangkan bola ke bounce. Working to shoot. Good for three. Baik, jenazah pas benar bagai. Baik, jenazah. Sampai program downtown. Jenazah. Rock. Bola supply apa yang kita last one minute and 10. Supply. Exactly 1 minute for Gonzaga. Rebound by Abayan. 51 seconds. Bola out of bounds. Score natin 30. 30-23. Pintu balik. Forty seconds. Abayan di foto. Atas di yellow. Bola ke bounce. 27 seconds. Salvador. Rebound by Flores. Pass to Sosa. And the finish dari Sosa. Victory! 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Good for the buzzer. And by foul. High goes number 6. Blocking foul. Second personal foul. Between Rosanna 2. Ayan yung mga coach. Coach na progress yung mga bata para sa susunod. Ayan pa sumunod sa mga nagbibigay, mga flashlight ko, makitanggal po. 1 second. 1 second. Pasok na lang po yan. After one game, I have to pass my something last in the final quarter. Martínez, Valdonaza, Gomez from downtown, dribbled by Flores, Abayan, Sosa, ayan na naman sumistel, Sosa, dribbled by Flores, put back, number 2. Castellano, rebound by Flores, pass to Abayan. Valdonaza, Silva make the shoot. Castellano supply with the Flores. Pass to Josh number 6. Pass to Flores and the finish by Flores. Flores supply. Castellano. Martínez. Borgina. Rebound by Castellano. Valdonaza, Gomez. Supply, rebound by Gomez. Abayan. Abayan quickly to shoot. Good control. Gomez break. Supply. Gomez melambaikan bola. Valdonaza. Shot. Silva take the shoot. Ayan membangun trouble violation. Back to the ball game. Break play. Martínez last 4 minutes. Valdonaza. Gomez. Help to shoot. Castellano 15 to shoot. Pushing foul, down. Goes out. Save out. Back Gomez. Talking number 10, 6 goes number 3. Last 2 minutes 20. And it's a better than a ball and bola. Natana supply number 5 Flores. Abayan. Last 2 minutes 10. From behind. And over the Quito, 5 step. And now basket count. Foul, jersey number 20. Blocking fouls up. From behind. Last nothing, last 2 minutes. Bonus throw na lang yan para kay Mr. Quito. Apply. Last 2 minutes. Mr. Quito, Gomez. Score natin 40-37. Gomez 15 to shoot, 10 to shoot, 5 to shoot. Sultan supply, rebound by Valentino, and then foul, jersey number 6. Villa Santino, that's our 4th personal foul, number 13 foul. Last 1 minute and 21. 14 to shoot. And at the end of play, foul, jersey number 3. Eye contact and a bonus throw. Supply. Head to shoot. Rebound by. Fast break play and the finish line. Supply. Last 1 minute. Pushed by Quito. Another foul. Foul just number 25. Delivery Cemento. Just number 25. That's our first personal foul. Personal foul. Last 51 seconds. They return to the backcourt. Last 50 seconds. Hernandez. Valdez at 41 seconds, 50 to shoot. And then foul. Foul jersey number 10. Quito, second personal foul and a penalty. It's very good. Sablay, rebound by Abayan. Last 40 seconds. Wala pang foul. Last 31 seconds. Last 31 seconds. Ayan, tawagin na. Ball, return to the backcourt. Last 26 seconds. Hito. Yes, and their time of play. Foul, there's another. 25, head contact and bonus throw.
Reshoot!
Last 18 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Sablay. Yanis. Sablay. Last 13 seconds. And foul. Foul, jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Foul. Foul down. Penalty. Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds. This is good. Last night.